What is up, RC enthusiasts? Got some 1.9 wheels right here from Banggood. Check these wheels out. Pretty nice looking wheels. Now these are probably aluminum. They're really light for metal wheels. So I'd have to say those are machined aluminum. You can see some machining in the back right here. They are multi-piece, so you can get different versions of this if you want it to offset more or not, but it just comes with one, this one right here. And there's the outer bead or the inner bead. And this is the actual other bead, but you don't have to undo these. You just go ahead and do these up right here, and you can just undo these 6 screws right here just to get these tires off and stuff, and you don't have to keep undoing these. That's the one-time deal right there for that ring. But those are real screws, and you do have to put those on. And I recommend Loctite on everything. So yeah, let me show you what it looks like when you get it in a package. It comes in this package right here. You'll get all 4 of them in there, and they'll all be individually wrapped. So they'll all come in like this. They'll have all their hardware in another Ziploc bag in there. And you're just gonna have to cut this open and get to that wheel, and I'll show you what it looks like. There's your hardware in the other bag. And here's the wheel. It's got some of the pieces together. So you can see the back piece right here comes off. Just this piece. And then you got the middle ring. Then you get your outer ring, which is attached to this right here, and you see there's only 2 screws holding it in there. All you gotta do is just assemble the rest, and go ahead, you can do that right now in this process. So you can go ahead and eliminate that, and you don't have to undo those ever again. So go ahead and use Loctite on those, put those on, and you'll be good, because you could assemble these wheels without having to take all these screws off. Alright, you see these screws right here? The bigger one of the 2 is going to be the one holding your hub on, and the smaller one right there is going to be for that black beadlock ring, and that's what we're going to use to install. So I'm going to go ahead and install those. There you go, just to show you guys, it's 2 separate pieces. That's the ring right there, it's also aluminum, and this piece. So go ahead and get those 2 together. There you go, guys, got that ring on there. Really good too, as you can tell. I already have that one done. I already have the other 2 done too, and it's on the truck already. And so far so good. Now let's get to the big bolts right here that hold on the hub to the wheel. There's 6 of those, and I'll get back to you. Alright, there you go, guys. Now remember, don't over tighten any of these screws. You're going to rely on that Loctite to help you out, hold these on there. So there you go. So far the machining of all the threads and everything is nice. Everything went together smoothly. Now all you got to do is put a wheel in here. You put this in the wheel, and then slide that in there, and then you slide this back here, matching it up with the 6 holes back here, and then you got yourself a beadlock wheel assembled. And I'm going to go ahead and assemble this one here for you, just to show you what it looks like. So this is the wheel right here. You're going to grab the center ring, you're going to shove it in there. Once you got that center ring in there, make sure you line it up. And grab this, slide it through the front like so. And the rear one, same deal, just slide it, make sure to line up the holes. I didn't get this lined up straight. There you go. Now you see right there, you line up all the holes right there so you can put the screws in there. And it uses the same screws you use to screw in this hub right here. So I'll show you what it looks like. I'll start one screw in right here just to show you guys what that looks like. So there you go. Once you get the threads to catch on that, you're going to want to move on to the next one and just go in a cross pattern until you tighten them all the way down. You know, tighten this and tighten that and that and that and that and that, and just keep on doing that star pattern until you get them all tightened down all the way, and that way you'll get it evenly all tightened down. You won't bind anything up, and everything should be evenly torqued down properly, and you should have a good wheel ready to go. Well, there you go, guys. A shot of it on my FJ Rock Rocket, my CJ10 by Caster Racing. Oh man, it looks good. Look at how nice those wheels look. Now also, I forgot to mention, I did order the silver and black, and if you look at the listing, if you click on the link and you look at the listing to this wheel, the silver and black are, you know, like legit silver, like how the screws are, and that's what this inside was supposed to be like. So yeah, that's the only difference. It ended up being this gunmetal-y color, which I like a lot actually. And also I'm rocking these fake hyraxes. I call them the no line low raxes. Same tread pattern, really soft, supposedly a really good clone tire, but it wears out really fast supposedly. So I'll go ahead and test that, see how that works. So I got them. I believe these wheels, or these tires, are also available on Banggood, so I'll link that in the description below if it is. And these rims and tires will be linked down there too. Comes in other colors, comes in a red, comes in a black. Yeah, I forgot the other one, gold I think, or yellow. But yeah, that's what I have it installed on right now. Some nice rims and some clone tires. Let's hope they do well. I'll be rocking those for sure. Yeah, but anyway guys, some nice wheels right here, check them out. This color wasn't part of the list, but maybe if you choose the silver and black, this might be what you might be sent, but don't take my word for it, because you might actually get the silver and black. But I appreciate this color. It's a color that wasn't available on their list and I got one. I like it. Well, alright guys, thanks for watching. As always, go out there, have some fun, and run that RC!